Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on notifications for a new account on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by finding the account for which you want to receive notifications. You can do this by clicking on their username in your timeline or by searching for them. 2. To the right of the account's name and icon, you will see the word Follow. Click on it to start following the account. 3. After clicking Follow, you will notice an icon of a bell appearing next to it. Click on the bell icon as well to enable notifications for that specific account. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily set up notifications for a new account on Twitter, ensuring you stay updated with their tweets and activities. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to turn on notifications for a new account on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to receive timely updates and notifications from accounts that matter to you.